if you haven't watched the last video, we were baling hay and all that stuff. So, but first, we have to rev it up a little bit because it has like a little light that pops up that says rev it up for the battery. But yeah, let's go get some diesel real quick and I'll meet y'all guys at the field. See if I can get it situated. Turn it on. Okay. Let's go. Now turn this on. Flip this down. Okay. Now we just wait for that to fill up, and I'll meet y'all guys at the field. Okay, now we're at the field. This is the same field as last one, but this is the field that was green in the last video, but now it's ready to bale. So I'm gonna first let's cut the PTO on. Okay, let's rev it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna start off in B turtle 2 with the button out, and let's see where that starts us off at. Started off good right now. So we can get all the bad bales that were in the baler. Well, they're not really bad, they've just been sitting. So let's go trip that real quick. Maybe this time while I'm getting in that tractor, I won't fall like in the last video. Okay. Well, now that we tripped that, we can just start going. But I'm gonna give y'all some time lapses. So let's begin.
The sun is setting on the open plains. Golden hues and purple skies remain. Cattle low and fields of grain. Another day gone just the same. At the ranch where my heart finds peace, under the wide and whispering trees. With the breeze and the evening light, everything feels so right. Up the dusty trail, the scent of hay and a story to tell. Horses grazing by the wooden fence. In this place I find my sense. At the ranch where my heart finds peace, under the wide and whispering trees. With the breeze picking up the dusty trail, the scent of hay and a story to tell. Horses grazing by the wooden fence. In this place I find my sense. At the ranch where my heart finds peace, under the wide and whispering trees. With the breeze and the evening light, everything feels so right. To dot the sky as we gather round the fire nearby, strumming guitars, singing low in the ranch gentle glow. At the ranch where my heart finds peace, under the wide and whispering trees. With the breeze.
If you like the time lapses that I do, I would appreciate it if you would just subscribe and like. That'll make my day happy. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, but I don't know. But yeah, I'd appreciate it if you would just subscribe. But yeah, I will meet y'all guys if something happens. Nothing really happened, but I wanted to show you how far we've made it in this hour we have been baling. So I'm doing this road right here because it got kind of left behind. Well, not really, but kind of. But all that little bit of that, you see there's a pond right there. And we still, if you can see, we got Papa way over there baling. And the same field, but on the other side of the pond. You see that tree? On the other side of that, there's some more hay to bale. But yeah, that's all we're gonna be doing today. But I'll see you in a little bit. We are about done with this field, so I'm gonna give you a good time lapse of going back and forth, back and forth. So let's begin. Get 2 sandwiches and Dr. Pepper. Well, let's start that time lapse back. Baling. Papa has a little bit left, but whenever me and Papa get done, we can go party them. But now I am done, so let's slow the throttle down, cut the PTO off, put it in a higher gear. So let's leave the button. Rev it up a little bit. Okay, now I'll meet y'all guys whenever at the barn. Well, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.